What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another video. Not another Soul Supremacy beater box today. No box this week. They didn't have a drop last Sunday, but I came up on another bulk deal from the same cat who I had bought a bulk deal from before. You guys remember that video? This is from the same dude, man. And I got to pick up from Nike. Figure I'll unbox it for y'all on this video. Before we get into the little bulk deal I picked up, let's see what Nike sent me. Nike really got to chill with these boxes though. I came home and all you seen was a big old Nike chick sitting on my porch. Granted, I live in a fairly decent neighborhood. Nothing but older folks around me, but still, man. Receipt from Nike. And you guys know if you've been watching the channel for a minute, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know I'm super big into the vapes. Love Vapor Maxes. I know a lot of people don't, but I'm an Air Max guy. And when they, these are nice. This is a personal pickup for myself. Vapor Maxes. I can't remember what these is called. The nickname is. I just bought them because I liked them. One of those Twitter deals at 3 a.m. See if you guys can catch that. They dark. It's like a black and purplish color. I cannot think of the name of them right now. I'll put it on the screen for y'all. I edit the video. But that was just a quick pickup for my little personal collection. Size 11 on those. I don't know why I told y'all the size, but that's what I got, man. So this right here is the bulk deal. So I spent 500 bucks on these. I got 5 pair of shoes. Again, I'm into vapes, but that's not why I bought these. I bought these to resell them, but they just so happen to all be Vapor Max Pluses. So that's what we got here, man. 5 Nike boxes just like this. All of them are size 11.5 and 11, man. So I had bought this from a guy. That's his shoe size. And man, he threw me a deal, man. I want y'all to let me know, is this better than the beater box part 2? That's what we're gonna call this one, man. First up, I got these joints dead stock. These are called the Vapor Max Plus Eagles. Dead stock pair. The Eagle colorway. Black and green. Not gonna take both of them out because they are dead stock. Very nice. Next up, another Vapor Max Plus. I cannot think of the name of these either. Drawing a blank. But like I said, man, I grabbed all of these from him for 500 bucks. If you break it down, just 100 bucks a pair. I got the Foot Locker receipt. So most of these have a receipt in the bottom of the box. 500 bucks was not a bad deal at all. For it not to be a beater box drop this week, man, I had to get something for you guys. Size 11 on those, on these right here. Now these are the only pair that is not dead stock. He did wear these once. These are the USA, size 11. I think I got a guy who wants these already, but I'm not gonna lie, if he don't buy them, I'm probably just gonna keep these, man. I like these. I'm a big fan of Vapor Maxes, red shoes, Air Maxes. So this right here would be a fire shoe for me. USA colorway. You ready for the summertime? 4th of July. Size 11.5. Vapor Max Plus. These, I actually like these. Some people say they look a little bit too bulky, especially with that yellow, but these are dead stock also. Check out the color. That black and yellow just pops. Love black and yellow together. On a Vapor Max, size 11.5. Too big for me, or this would be staying with me. These are dope. Very, very dope. I have all the nicknames and prices and all that stuff for y'all at the bottom of the screen as usual. I don't know why I'm reading the name. Vapor Max Plus. These are size 11.5. This is the last pair. This pair is also dead stock. Simple black and red colorway. Very dope, very dope. Very dope. Vapor Max Pluses, man. So if you're into Vapor Max, this video is for you. So I want y'all to let me know, man, that I get a good deal on these. I'm always buying, man. I got people pulling up on me all the time, or either I'm pulling up on somebody just buying and reselling here locally. So this is the same cat who I bought from before. Very cool dude, very trusted dude. I've sold to him before he started buying to me, which I believe that's why he's probably blessing me back, man. You treat people the way you want to be treated, man. So yeah, I used to throw him deals and steals all the time. So I don't know why he's moving so many kicks right now, but that's why he's doing it. I don't ask no questions. I just pull up and cash out, man. So yeah, man, y'all let me know. 500 bucks. I think I did really good. Hopefully have another beater box for you guys next week. There will be a drop this Sunday. I ain't gonna lie, man, it's been kind of hard for me to get them. I tried 2 weeks ago, struck out. 3 weeks ago, struck out. So and they getting kind of hard to get. Also, people has been asking about the Soul Supremacy beater box memberships. There will not be any beater box memberships available for a long time. They just put it on Twitter. For you guys to stay up on that stuff, you have to follow them on Twitter at Soul Supremacy. I don't know about their beater box memberships or anything like that. I just know I'm a member. It costs me 40 bucks a month, so that's about all I can give you guys, man. They said there won't be any memberships just due to them now selling pre-owned shoes on their site. So I don't know how that's gonna affect us current members, because that's mostly what we get is pre-owned shoes. So with them selling, could be limiting the amount of boxes that we receive, which is another reason why I went ahead and start buying bulk deals and stuff like that from around the town. But yeah, man, so you guys stay up for beater box memberships, follow them on Twitter, and they'll keep you guys posted on all of that stuff. Yeah, this guy right here actually said he has some more stuff for me, so he hits me up first. I appreciate that from him. You know, a great name is better than great wealth, so he always thinks about me, so I'm happy about that. So again, guys, let me know down below if this is better than a beater box, man. I'm trying to do my thing with that, so let me know, man. Comment down below. If you want any of these, always hit me up at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. Appreciate you guys who made orders last week. You also can hit me up on Twitter and Instagram at TGOTSOLE. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that active on Twitter, but Instagram, I'll probably get back to you a lot faster. On TGOTSOLE or the TGOTSOLE for sale page, which I need to get that moving a little bit faster. So for you guys tuning in, I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that sub button if you're not subbed. Hopefully have a beater box for you guys next week. And I think that about do it. I'm out. Peace.